Okay, so this package just came in from iFixit. Let's open it up. Okay. I think I know what this box is. Pretty sure this one is the phone. Oh. Let's see. 64 gigabyte product red. Thank you iFixit so much for this. I really appreciate it. I've been stuck with a 16 gigabyte iPhone 6 for the longest time, so this means a lot. Okay, but I didn't know they were sending a second package. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, there's a note. What is this? Is it just a packing? Yep. Never mind. Something shaking around in there. Hey! iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit. Thanks, iFixit. I really enjoy your stuff. I actually have a Protect toolkit right here. Really enjoyed it. Got it for Christmas. Been doing all sorts of different little repairs and fixing stuff, and I've really enjoyed it. So thank you for this. I will definitely make use of this kit. So yeah, thank you iFixit. Thank you for the phone and the toolkit. Hey iFixit, thank you for the iPhone, 3 stickers, and the Essential Electronics Toolkit. I'm really thankful for it. As you heard before, I've been stuck with an older phone with 16 gigabytes, and I'm really happy I won this. I will use the heck out of this thing for multiple years. Yeah, thanks for it. Thanks for the stickers. Really like the motto, never take broken for an answer. It's a really good motto to go by, especially if you support iFixit. So yeah, thanks for the stuff, and I really appreciate it. Keep doing what you're doing.